what's the name of the movie? I feel like Alice in Wonderland. It was really nice, a nice welcome from all the people.
Though German society and also academy is quite an organized place, but still when you go there to study you have to rely primarily on yourself. And there are a lot of institutions that can give you some kind of help, information, help you to figure out where you and how to go on and how to fix some basic stuff like to find accommodation and so on. But pretty much I was on my own and trying to establish some kind of connections and meet people, and then a lot of persons, just my friends helped me. Well, it was quite an adventure, so I'll not go through all details, but in the end I ended up in a Studentenwohnheim, in a student dormitory.
I lived with some German girl assistant. She was assistant I think she's still assistant at the Bremener faculty.
In my experience, most of the times I was finding some accommodation privately or using some connections from previous days in Germany. Maybe that should be maybe some recommendation that especially younger people when are going there for the first time, maybe they should have some more support about finding accommodation. Because most of the times I was left on my own to find somebody there to help me or to find me the room.
I had contact with many different people, primarily with German students, other colleagues, but also international students. Freiburg, where I studied, is a pretty international place, and a lot of international students coming to that university. So that was a good opportunity to meet people from many different parts of the world.
It was very difficult for me to find time in that schedule for learning German language, being at the institute working on my research, having contacts with the colleagues, because all of them are also working very busy and they have a very rich schedule, so it was very difficult to find times or terms to discuss or make some plans or for me to be included.
So I traveled with other EAS students and Erasmus students.
But I cannot say that I can use fluently my German because of the large periods between stays in Germany when I was improving my knowledge, and after that losing a lot of that and improving again, and so that was going up and down. I can easily follow the literature, all the literature sources from Germany, journals, articles, whatever, scientific or popular or professional, whatever, so knowing the terminology, which is Fach terminology in my field of interest.
I read some newspaper in German, such as Zeit, Frankfurt Allgemeine Zeitung.
When I moved to Freiburg, I actually learned German just, like trying to communicate with other friends, with other people, reading literature, which was necessary for my PhD research, sources, and so on. So I remember that when I got there, my doctorate, the mentor professor told me, okay, you can speak to me next 3 months in English, I'll respond in German, and after 3 months we continue conversation in German.